Hello guys, welcome to Isaac YouTube channel. I'm Terry. We all know that oscillating tool blades was widely used in a lot of home decoration projects. But this material getting harder and harder. How can the oscillating tool blades to handle this kind of project? Today we are going to take a challenge with our carbide oscillating tool blades in different hardness materials. In compensation, we also will use a bimetal blade to try to do a benchmark test to see how's the performance on this kind of material. The materials we are going to test from left to right are stainless screws, hardened drywall screws, concrete nails, and hardened bolts. All these materials are widely used in daily construction works. First, we will use the bimetal blade to do the test on stainless screws. We can see that the bimetal blade completed the challenge easily, and the teeth have some slight wear. Let's see how it performs on the drywall screws. You can see here, after 3 screws cutting, the teeth badly went out already. Now let's challenge the concrete nail. This nail, the material is pretty tough, really tough. So we will use a new bimetal blade to test it. After more than a minute of cutting, it is almost impossible to cut into the concrete nail anymore because all the teeth has badly damaged. So it definitely cannot finish the challenge. Okay, now last we're gonna try our bimetal blade on the hardened nails. These nails is widely used in a lot of construction sites. This is also pretty tough material. Same result as before, the bimetal teeth cannot cut into the hardened bolts anymore after 1 minute cut. Okay, we can see there has a severe wear on the teeth. The challenge definitely failed. It can be seen that we all failed when cutting on the hard materials with bimetal blade. Now we are going to try with one carbide blade to cut stainless steel screws, drywall hardened screws, concrete nails, and bolt. Can it take the challenge? Let's wait and see. We can clearly see the carbide oscillating blade cuts through all the materials very easy. And the most important is the teeth condition is still very good. Its superior durability makes it the clear winner in the test. Okay, after we finish all the testing, from the test result, we can easily to find that bimetal oscillating tool blades is not really good for hard material cutting. The teeth went out very quickly. We cut 5 stainless screws with no problem. But on drywall screws, we feel it is very difficult to cut through, and the teeth went out very quickly. And also for the, especially for the concrete nails, it cannot cut through the surface of the concrete nails. And for the hardened bolts, the performance as well is not very good. But for our carbide oscillating tool blade, only one blade cuts through all the materials, which the most important is that after I finish all the cutting, you can see here all the teeth are still survive and keep a very good performance condition. So why do Isaac carbide oscillating multi-tool blade perform so good? Isaac carbide technology combines the premium grade of tungsten carbide with the most advanced manufacturing techniques. You know, not all the carbide material are made equal. Our carbide material we are using come from the United States, which can provide the outstanding cutting performance. Secondly, our advanced laser welding technology can create unbreakable bond between the carbide teeth and the blade body. This meticulous welding process ensures a secure and seamless integration, making our blade highly resistant to detachment during the operation. Isaac carbide oscillating tool blades offers a significant price advantage due to its durability and long lifetime on hard metal. You don't have to replace the blades very frequently with Isaac carbide blades. One blade you can cut hundreds or even thousands of hard nails. The increased lifetime makes the cost of your every cut extremely low comparing with the bimetal blades. The professionals and the DIY users can achieve more cuts with a single blade, reducing downtime for blade changes and saving on overall costs. So, if your job involves a lot of hard metal working, I highly recommend the carbide oscillating tool blade for more productivity and more cost saving. You can click the link below for more information. Thanks for watching Isaac Challenge. Be sure to subscribe for more tools review and benchmark test. See you next time.